Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete a community on the Tumblr mobile app. Unfortunately, you can't actually delete a community on the Tumblr mobile app directly. This feature is currently only available on the desktop version of Tumblr. So to delete a community, you need to use a web browser on your computer or on the device. And here's how. You can open the Tumblr website in your web browser and log into your account. Next, you can go to the community you want to delete. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of the community page. Select Leave Community from the drop-down menu. Confirm your action by clicking Leave Community again in the pop-up message. This will remove you as a member of the community. If you are the creator of the community, this action will effectively delete the community. However, any posts made within the community will still remain visible on Tumblr. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now.